Hey guys, it's Dale Walker, Holeshot Performance Products. Well, it's been a little while since I made a video of Mr. Green. Kind of got the bike finished up how I like and how I wanted. Cosmetically and exhaust and muffler and all the good stuff. And I just wanted to go over the bike and show you the tasty treats of Mr. Green, the finished product with the Stage 2 tune and all. So we have the Galfer full floating wave rotors. We've got the Galfer brake lines. We've got the EvoTech radiator guard and the EvoTech black anodized foldable adjustable click levers. We've got the powder coated foot peg brackets, foot pegs, front and back. We've got a new stock gearing, driven racing, 7075 T6 aircraft aluminum gold anodized sprocket. 42 tooth. 525, just like stock. Didn't want to change the gearing. Got the nice tasty fender eliminator. I believe that's MD Racing or something like that on eBay. They're really nice. I've used that on a couple bikes now. And we've got the Black Widow 4-2-1 that I did my latest dyno with and everything, all my tuning. And I decided to go with the 17 Street Core, believe it or not. It's a little longer, but even with the fender eliminator, it still doesn't stick back past the tire. Looks good, sounds great. Couple horsepower less at very peak revs than the Comp 2 Core. But I think the sound is just perfect. Bike is stone cold, so it's going to have the hi-hat all started for you. What I like about that muffler is when you're cruising, and I'll shut it off in a second. 17th Street is real nice. It'll still come alive, just like my other ones when you're on it hard. But at a light cruise, light throttle load, low end, or cruising down the highway, thing's just perfect. You just hear it in your helmet. I don't know, maybe I'm getting old, but that's the one I choose for me. Of course, we make the 14-inch. Keep in mind, it's 17-inch from the front of the canister to the end of the canister. So 14's about here, and then we make the 10-inch bad boy. And I have pictures and stuff. Maybe I'll put a couple in this video. Yeah, the other thing is my Holeshot Performance bar riser kit. That comes with the new braided top line that's a little longer to accommodate that. It's 20mm rise. Then you loosen and flip the lower holding clamps 180 degrees, and it brings the handlebars about 3/4 of an inch closer to you with the 20mm rise. Really feels nice. So anyway, got the suspension all adjusted for me. I'm not a real heavy guy, weigh about 165-70 pounds, so just with adjustments, stock suspension works great. You see me ride the bike, put it through its paces. Under the seat, we have the Holeshot Super Tune Pro. So let me show you that. Okay guys, the lower air box mod is completed. We got all the equal stacks in there now. We got them all looking good. They don't have to be perfect, but you can kind of wiggle the inside 2 around, 2 and 3, get them all straight. There's your 2 additional holes down here. Here's the finished 3/4 inch holes here and here. And on the other side, duh. So this puppy here is ready. Okay, and if you got any armor all on the area of the stack here, wipe it all off dry, then put your clamps on. Go ahead and leave the bolt back almost all the way out for now. Okay, they stay on there, that way they'll go right back on the throttle body. So we'll set this aside and then let me get to work on the top cover. This is it. We got 4 3/4 inch on the outside. Got two here, lined up with the stacks, center between the two. Probably doesn't make a damn bit of difference, but I thought, why not? That's a good spot. Okay, I'll be back and show you the cover mod. Alright, here it is. Here's my new baby. Looks pretty Santa. Still got a little edge on there for support, little edge on here for support. This is never going to crack. It looks clean. I just got it close and actually used I had a roll of brand new emery cloth, and I just did it by hand, kind of radius the end here real nice, and cut into the corner the best you can. Make sure you get all the crap out of here. I did it with my fingernail about 50 times. That's exaggerating, probably 10. And blew it out, vacuumed it, and just blew it out. And you can never have it too clean. Okay, but anyway, that looks pretty sano. This is all still in the back, has nothing to do with the velocity stacks, full strength, this would never crack. Okay, I think that's the way to go. So there's that. And then going back on this, I already showed you it. I found that you want to roll these till they just barely touch the outer two, and then the top goes down easier. I had them evenly spaced straight, and it's hard to get the top on. Okay, it still touches here, but so just rotate them till they kiss the outer ones, because the outer ones are, you didn't change them, they're locked, and that's better for putting the lid on. Anyway, there's the Holeshot Stage 2 airbox completely done, and the top lid. I got the seat pulled off, so yeah, my tuner fits right under here if you haven't seen it before, and it's just perfect size. That's the Holeshot Super Tune Pro tuner that I've been using and developed back in 2007 for the Bandit 1250, and it just fits really sano right behind the battery right there. And of course, a lot of you, if you haven't seen my other videos, just go to my channel, dlwalker Holeshot Performance Products, or dlwalker Holeshot Performance, and then you can view all my videos of the Stage 2 tune and the complete install, and my couple days on the dyno, and then out riding testing it. So anyway, Mr. Green's looking good. I'm really happy with it for now. I've got a new 2021 MT-09 and a 20 Tracer 900 GT I'm going to start doing a few videos with here pretty soon. But I'll still be riding this bike. I love this motorcycle. You won't regret buying it if you get this or the standard model. They're really great. If you got any questions about the parts, please call me at the shop, 775-463-5394. Usually Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I'm around. My email is dlwalker@holeshot.com. I will be updating a small new website with these parts, but for now, you got to give me a call. Alright, well thanks for looking, and I hope you liked Mr. Green, and we appreciate your support. Thank you. See you on the next video.